her life dream is to bang George Clooney. Let's see the first scene. Give him some applause.
Francis?
Yes, Billy.
I think we need something to spice up our sex life. I was thinking, I think I'd like a hot date with George Clooney. But I don't think he'll ever put down that pig. If only I could be prettier than that pig.
Billy, now, I've been married to you for 3 years. And I think you're gorgeous. And although our sex life is totally stale, and we have to live in this damn Airstream trailer. George Clooney, huh?
Yep.
Okay, let's drive the Airstream over there and find him.
Okay. Or you could put on this strap on.
Oh, that fits nice. Okay, I play like I'm George Clooney. You just...
No, let's drive.
What?